So hello everyone, welcome back, and I'm Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst, and today we are going to talk about one of the five major frustrations that data analysts face, and most importantly, how to overcome them. And also we'll be talking about, if you'll stick around till the end, three essential skills that is a must for a data analyst. So let's start with the first one. So first one is messy and inconsistent data. So it's always present. So data is never perfect. So we'll be always having duplicate records. We'll be having missing values, and then we'll be having formatting issues where some values are in a different format and some values are in a different format, like that. So for that, I mostly rely on Python's Pandas library. But when handling large amount of data set, you can go for an AI-driven data management tool. So there are a few of them, but I'll name one that I have used is a Cleanlab, which does the automated error checking and processing that saves hours of minute manual work. So it will be saved there, but I don't recommend it because it's AI driven. You have to consider like all the company policies and all. That is why I haven't used it on company's data. And then unclear requirements from stakeholders. So there is nothing more frustrating as well as more annoying than starting a project and realizing was asked, you weren't clear about, and what you delivered was not even somewhere near what they actually wanted. So how to prevent this is to get clear requirements, like throughout making it, before making it only, just having a meeting or something, conversation with the one who wants something, that what kind of things that you want. And also if it is in progress, also you get some confusion, just show the progress and ask, okay, this is what I'm deriving at, this is what you want, right? So just everyone is on a clear and same picture. So you can even set up meeting using Calendly and other scheduling apps that are there, and also document these discussion, okay, so that everyone will understand what's the scope of the things that you are doing, and you also will be. And then technical issues and software limitation that we face. So slow dashboard because of a lot of data, and then compatibility issues keeps on coming because some are legacy software where it will happen, your workflow will be disturbed. So just for quick fixes, you can optimize your MongoDB query or SQL query and automate the process with Python scripts. Of course, always they are there. And for more complex issues, you can invest in cloud-based solutions such as BigQuery is there. Again, I have not used for companies' data, but I have used it for a lot of other projects, and it's really a huge different thing. Like literally, you can handle large amount of data, like a really large amount of data. And then comes insights not being used. So it's frustrating to see your work get unnoticed by decision makers. So this is where the effective communication will kick in. So what I mean by that, you have to ensure that your insights that you are giving ties with the key KPIs, key performance index that they are having, and use visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI to create a more engaging as well as a digestible dashboard. So why I say digestible, meaning the person should be able to understand what is the dashboard conveying. So that thing. And this approach will ensure that the stakeholders understand and value the feelings. And then comes bias in data analytics and data. So it can come anywhere throughout the data lifecycle. It can come from data collection to data interpretation, anywhere. So to address this, you need to carefully check the database for any representation issue or any other issues that is there. And you can use tools such as Beacon AI, so that does automatic feature selection, but I won't recommend it because it's an AI tool. You shouldn't just randomly put your company's data in it. I don't. So like that. So just for a quick understanding, you can use it for your personal things, and then make sure that the company policy aligns with it. So this Beacon AI you can use to reduce the human bias in predictive models that are there, and make sure the results are more reliable. And then since you sticked around, I'll give you three essential data analytics skills that are a must. First is problem solving, being able to troubleshoot as well as find solution to issues from technical errors to analytical roadblocks. And then comes data storytelling. So presenting findings in a way that resonates with both technical as well as non-technical stakeholder is a essential skill. You'll have to learn it. And then comes adaptability. So like embracing new tools and methodologies as a data analyst is a ever evolving field, right? So you'll have to adapt to through new things each and every day, even hours also. And then comes some resources thing that I wanted to talk about since it's going huge on my Instagram. So if you're looking to boost your data analytics journey, we are having one resource pack that is on a sale right now, that is for 499 rupees, and it's designed to provide you with 500 plus resources that will consist of guides, cheat sheet, as well as a personalized projects that even will have codes also that you can just make them, and it will talk about all those things and you'll just get it and you can just practice with it, learn with it. And then on top of it, since we are getting a lot of discovery calls each day, one is for sure, so I've started offering a new mentorship program. Already 20 people have enrolled in it. That goes for sale again right now at 199 rupees, and where you'll be able to tackle real world challenges and advance in your skill. So everyone needs a mentor, and like they need to someone to check on their progress, push them, and talk about how to do certain things. So that thing is there. So you'll have to make sure that it's there, and then I'll see you around in both of them. And yeah, you can check out my Calendly. You can go to Topmate, or you can connect me on social through Linktree link that is in the description. And yeah, we can connect over a call or WhatsApp or whichever is comfortable for you. And yeah, so was 5 common frustration that data analytics face and my approach to overcome them. So if you have similar challenges or unique frustration, share them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to read and talk about it. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insight into this world of data with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one.